Hi students, welcome back to Google Classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I hope all of you are fine. The last section we discussed about the important facts related to the Sun and 8 planets. I hope all of you learned that portion. You all performed very well in the test paper. Have you all seen the moon in the night sky? What is the shape of the moon? Is the size of the moon always the same? No, it is not, right? Sometimes we can see the moon in full size. Sometimes it is disappeared from the sky. Today, let's start with the natural satellite of the Earth, that is the moon. You may also see the moon most of the days. It may appear at different times, at different positions, in different shapes. We can see the full moon only once in about a month's time. That is, we can call it full moon or Purnima. It is the moment the entire face of the moon is illuminated by the sun's rays. Full moon occurs when the moon is on the opposite side of the earth from the sun. And thus, the side of the moon that is illuminated faces the earth. Let's discuss about new moon or Amavasya. What is new moon? Look at this picture. When the moon in between the sun and the earth, the side of the moon facing us does not get sunlight. That means the moon's dark side faces us. So we cannot see it. That is why we can call it as a new moon or Amavasya. Our earth has only one natural satellite, that is the moon. Now you will have a doubt, what is a natural satellite? Satellites are mainly divided into two types, natural satellite and human-made satellite. So, what is a natural satellite? Satellite is a celestial body that moves around the planets the same way as the planets move around the sun. Moon is the natural satellite of the Earth. It is the fifth largest solar satellite of the solar system. Then, what is a human-made satellite? It is an artificial body. It is designed by the scientists to gather information about universe or for communication. Some of the Indian satellites are INSAT, IRS, EduSat, etc. It is carried by a rocket and placed in the orbit around the Earth. Which one is the first Indian satellite in space? Aryabhatta was the first Indian satellite launched by the Soviet Union on 19th April 1975. Why do we see the moon so big in our naked eyes? Because it is nearer to our planet than the other celestial bodies. It is about 3,84,400 km away from us. Another important feature of the moon is that the moon moves around the earth in about 27 days. It takes exactly the same time to complete one spin. As a result, the only one side of the moon is visible to us on the earth. Let's point out the important facts related to the moon. It is a ball of rock that revolves around the earth. It is the closest celestial body to our earth. The moon moves around the earth in about 27 days. And it takes exactly the same time to complete one spin. It does not have conditions favorable for life because it has neither water nor air. It has mountains, plains and depressions on its surface. Let's conclude today's section by recollecting all the concepts. At first we discussed about the important facts related to the moon. The moon moves around the earth in about 27 days. It takes exactly the same time to complete one spin. It does not have favorable condition for life because it is neither water nor air. I hope all of you understood the concepts clearly. Children, please note that the related URLs, notes of the lesson and the test paper are also attached along with the class. Make use of these available materials. Study well and attend the test paper without fail. That's all for today. Thank you.